Y'all already know this your girl BJ.
Listen, if y'all don't do shit else, make sure y'all subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe.
Talk shit, smoke, politics, and relate. Let's get big that.
All facts, no cap.
So we out here today. We're at a car meet. Me and my dog. Fuck that shit. We're at a car meet. Yo, make sure y'all stay tuned for this shit. I know we everywhere. They beeping for Nigga, say what's happening.
Legit.
Nigga, look at this nigga.
Oh. That's wild.
Yeah. It's our nigga Mike.
Ma?
Nigga. Oh, this is shit too. We got a nice whip, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all in the next clip. Look at this nigga. Look at this shit here. All of them a Gatorade. This nigga.
Right, my car. Hey, Marquise, let me know where y'all gonna eat it. Huh? Let me know where y'all gonna eat it. Alright. All y'all did?
They saying Trizzy just snap.
This is my partner. Say what up, Mike. This is Mike and Jordan. This is what I be telling y'all about on our channel. This is Will.
Yeah.
This is Will, you guys. Young nigga having. Remember him.
Alright, what's up? I'm Shay. So you already know this your girl BJ in that bit. And so this video is basically about the photo shoot we had. And today, yeah, literally today, we just came for a car meet.
Man, shit was lit.
Oh God. It was so many folks that shit was packed the fuck out. 12 was up there deep and shit.
We didn't care, we still smoke.
Yeah, if you want to do shit, that shit, I know you gonna do that. Anyway, so
Swap.
speaking of,
Yeah.
okay, bit. So anyway, so yeah, photo shoot was lit as fuck. Shout out to Fiji. If y'all don't do nail nips, stop what y'all doing. Go follow this man, Fiji Gun.
Fire with it.
Okay.
Right. Y'all gonna get here and see these pictures, you know what I'm saying? Don't trip.
Oh yeah, that's coming. Matter of fact, in this video, we're definitely gonna drop a couple of pics from the photo shoot. Gonna do shit else. We definitely gonna do that.
Drop a little bit.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. But the car meet was lit.
Oh yeah,
That
that
shit was
shit
lit.
seen so many different fire cars.
Oh God, them boys was acting up in the city today for real.
Cops let them.
Yeah.
The fuck we want today.
Yeah. They probably like, through a pandemic, y'all let a car meet. Fuck it right.
With my mask on.
I'm good. I wish I had it to show y'all. I ain't got that shit.
With my mask on.
Shit in the car. But anyway, yeah. If y'all do shit else, get at this sleazy gear shit. Y'all see me. Y'all get
She
y'all
got the
some.
sleazy on the down here.
Good. Y'all get y'all some. Y'all
I had it
do
on
shit.
yesterday, the day before that, the day before that. I ain't got none on today. Sorry.
Yeah. But look, please, y'all, like, comment, and subscribe.
Come on,
If
man.
y'all don't do shit else, please
Show some love.
subscribe. I can't stress that.
We need more subscribers. Subscribe. Tell your friend to subscribe. Tell your best friend, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your cousin, your mama, your daddy, your sister, your brother. Everybody needs to subscribe.
Oh yeah, come on,
And
welcome
we need
home.
y'all. Come on.
This is home. You know
And
what I'm
come
saying?
on now. If you come on now, you know you like to smoke or whatever. You feel me? This channel is gonna be good for you.
And we got some shit coming up. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just gotta stay tuned for this shit.
You never know what the fuck we might be doing or where the fuck we might be at. We sold y'all that from day one.
I'm good.
Don't think it's a game.
So like I said, please, if y'all don't do shit else, like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely get on this sleazy
Get
gear
you some
shit.
sleazy shit, man. For real.
Next video we probably do is probably gonna be shout out video.
Excuse me. We're gonna do that again.
So part 2 because we got good views now.
Yeah.
So look, if you have my merch, ordering merch because we got folks that put in orders. Merch on the way. This next video we about to do, y'all definitely need to stay tuned because y'all probably gonna be in it 9 times out of 10 times. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So
it's gonna be stupid lit.
So I need the videos coming in, pics coming in. To be honest with y'all, that last video, I forgot to put so many people in that video.
That's why it's talk about this part 2. Don't worry about it.
I said so many names, and they all literally have the clothes. I have pictures, and I don't know, man. I was fucked up that day. This video, I'm definitely gonna put y'all in here.
Yeah, make sure everybody else. We're gonna show love to everybody that show love to us.
By the way, I want to bring this up. The last video, because it's going to be last video by the time y'all see this video, which is so lit.
Can we
That's
follow
great.
that shit?
Okay. Y'all stay tuned, because the last video, I know was stupid crazy, bruh. We was geek as fuck in the fucking park, dog. I swear to God, we was geek as shit. Stay tuned for this shit. And like I said, if y'all don't do shit else, please subscribe, like, and comment. You know what I'm saying? And next video we got coming up, what I said we were going to do?
Smoke shit. Smoke session. Edible. The feast.
Nah, it's this. We're gonna do the shout out. We're doing the shout out. So yeah, we're doing the shout out.
My bad, you guys.
Y'all stay tuned. That's what we doing. All right.
We got. See, y'all know we've been working. We got a lot of shit in the going
in the making. Yeah, we got a lot going, fixing up in the crock pot, and we got. Listen, I can't say too much, but y'all stay tuned for this shit. Y'all make sure y'all watch us, Shay and BJ. If y'all don't do shit else, please subscribe. And get at us on this merch. I'm going to drop our IG, Facebook, Snapchat, all that below in the comments and at the end of this video.
Let me know y'all gonna eat it. Let me know y'all gonna eat it. Alright. All y'all did? They saying Drizzy the snap.